Hey beauty queens, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys the DIY do-it-yourself wig kit from Janet Collection. They have already packed everything together for you that you would need for you to make a custom wig of your own for you or for a client. It comes with the mannequin stand. It comes with the canvas head that is 22 inches. I find that 22 inches is like a standard head size. And even if you need it to be a little bit bigger, you can just stretch the wig cap out further on the canvas head if you need a little more room, if the person's head is a little bigger. But this is the cap that they send with the wig kit. So I'm just putting it on the 22-inch canvas head that was supplied in the box. So I want to tell you guys what is included in this kit. So you're going to get the wig cap that you just saw me put on the canvas head. You get 2 C-style needles. You get 2 duck clips, weaving thread, weaving bonding glue by Isha, which is another brand that Janet Collection carries. A table clamp stand for your mannequin, and separately you would have to buy the bundles and the frontal. So I am using the 13x5 HD lace from Janet Collection, which I fell in love with. The lace is very stretchy, it's very thin, and it's very easy to melt right into your scalp. So I have applied the frontal onto my cap, and now I'm going to sew it down. You guys are going to see me make this wig from start to finish in time lapse, not very detailed, because I do have other videos up here that show you how to make a wig from start to finish. So you guys can just, play close attention if you need to know. If you have any questions, you can always ask me, comment, or, whatever. So I think this was a really, really good idea. And not to mention that tomorrow is Cyber Monday. Janet Collection's products are all over. You can buy them at your local beauty supply store and also online. And which works out is tomorrow is Cyber Monday. So you might be able to get it even cheaper. But the canvas kit, I believe, is only a little less than $40, which you cannot go wrong, because by the time you buy all of that stuff, you wind up paying a little bit more than that. So if you can buy something, find something that has everything included that you will need to make your own wig, it's great. Also, it would serve as a perfect Christmas gift if you have a daughter that may be into making wigs and you want to get her everything she would need to make her first wig, or do things a little more professionally. This would be great for you to purchase for her. Sorry guys, I forgot to mention that they did include T-pins inside of the wig kit as well. And that's very crucial to making sure your cap stays in place. You can also use it to hold your bundles in place. We used 3 bundles of 26 inches from Alibi, which is another hair that Janet Collection carries. So we have our frontal on and we have our 3 bundles. Now I'm going to show you how it's going to look once it's done. You can achieve this same look using the same products. I will leave all the information in the description box. So what I did was I went ahead and I put some concealer on the lace so it can match her completely. So you can see it looks really, really natural. It looks like a scalp. I did not have to apply much, just a little bit. So I want to get into a little bit of information regarding HD lace, transparent lace, so you guys can get a little more insight on the actual, fabric itself. So HD lace is usually used, it's very popular now. A lot of people are trying to use HD lace because it is the most natural looking. But it is not as durable as the other laces that are on the market right now. So the HD lace is very, very, very thin. So it's not as durable. Like, you can't do a whole lot of pulling and tugging. And, it's not going to last forever because the lace is a lot thinner. But it will give you the most natural look. So for somebody who's looking for a hairline that, which I don't know who wouldn't be. But everybody who's looking for that natural, laying down on your face, not having to do gel or baby hair and all of that stuff, HD lace is something that you know need to look into purchasing, because it's going to give you the most natural look. HD lace is a Swiss lace, and also there's transparent lace. So the transparent lace is not as thin as the HD lace, but it is going to be the easiest. It's going to be easy for you to camouflage that lace. So if you have to, it's not completely see, like it's not invisible, to whereas if you hold it you can't see it, but it's going to be the easiest way, well, the easiest lace for you to use to customize it. So to me, either one of those two are the best types of lace for you to use, that won't have you working really, really hard to get it to, you know, match the person's skin and camouflage the best way. So just to make sure you guys are understanding and following me, both HD lace and transparent lace are Swiss lace. They both are Swiss lace. One is more durable and one is not. The HD isn't as durable as the transparent lace. The transparent lace, you will have to do a little bit of customizing, but it's not going to be anything crazy. And the HD lace, it's a quick meltdown. As soon as you place it on there, it's like it melts and it takes on whatever you put in front of it. So if you put it up against the scalp, it turns, you know, to the scalp. Sometimes you may do a little bit of, you know, concealer or whatever to your liking. It's completely up to you, but it's the finest, so it looks really, 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 really natural, the most natural. It's the one with the least work that you would have to do, but the longevity of it is not as, you know, the time that you have it won't be as long because it's thinner, and like I said, it's not as durable. But either one of the two are great options when trying to figure out what is the best lace to purchase. So finally, I'm going to be curling her. I cut the hair into some layers to give it some definition. I'm doing some nice big barrel curls, and you guys will get to see our finished product. Here's a quick little side profile view. You guys can see how natural it looks. You cannot see the lace. Of course, with any lace that you apply, if somebody is really, really, really close to you and standing in your face, like with their face basically up against yours, you will see the lace. But our goal is to make it as natural as possible. And Jenna Collection, I think you did it. So we took our pin curls out. So I'm going to just use a wide tooth comb to comb them out so you guys can see. The hair has a nice shine. It has a lot of body. I used, once again, 3 bundles of 26 inches. And the frontal is 12 inches. All right, guys, that's a wrap. Janet Collection Do-It-Yourself Kit. It comes fully equipped with everything you need to make your wig. Purchase the bundles and closures separately, but everything you can get for under $200, which is a steal. Follow Janet Collection on Instagram. Follow Beauty by Day on Instagram. And you guys already know I'll be back.